What comes to mind when you think of Pakistan? Stunning mountain landscapes, rich history, maybe delicious food? But what about nightlife? You might be surprised, but after the sun goes down, a completely different side of Pakistan comes to life, vibrant and full of energy. And today we're going on a journey to explore it together. Forget what you think you know because we're about to dive into the heart of Pakistan's nightlife. Let's start in Karachi, the city that truly never sleeps. As the sun sets over the Arabian Sea, Karachi transforms. The streets, already bustling during the day, take on a new kind of energy. One of the first stops for anyone looking for a great evening is Darya. Imagine a long strip of restaurants built on stilts right over the water. The cool sea breeze, the sound of the waves, and the incredible aroma of food grilling in the open air. It is an experience for all the senses. You can find everything here from traditional Pakistani barbecue to continental cuisine. It's a favorite spot for families and groups of friends to gather, share a meal, and just enjoy the beautiful seaside atmosphere. But Karachi's nightlife isn't just about food. The city has a thriving arts and culture scene that really shines at night. There are numerous theaters like the National Academy of Performing Arts, where you can catch a play, a musical performance, or a traditional dance show. These events are a fantastic way to see the country's artistic talent up close. And for the coffee lovers, Karachi has a booming cafe culture. Places in upscale neighborhoods like Clifton and Defense are open late, serving artisanal coffee and delicious desserts. They're cozy, modern spaces perfect for long conversations with friends or just relaxing with a good book. It's a more laid-back, sophisticated side of the city's nightlife. Now, let's head north to Lahore, the cultural heart of Pakistan. If Karachi is the energetic coastal giant, Lahore is the soulful, historic artist. And its nightlife reflects that perfectly. The old walled city of Lahore is a magical place after dark. The historic buildings and narrow alleyways are beautifully illuminated, creating a scene straight out of a fairy tale. The best way to experience it is by visiting the Fort Road Food Street. It's located right next to the majestic Badshahi Mosque, and the view from the rooftop restaurants is absolutely breathtaking. Enjoying a plate of delicious Lahori charga while gazing at the illuminated mosque is a memory you won't forget. Beyond the old city, Lahore offers a more modern nightlife experience. The area around Elam Road is famous for its high-end restaurants, trendy cafes, and designer shops. It's the place to see and be seen. You can find cuisines from all over the world here. It's a hub of activity where young people and families come to dine out and socialize. Lahore also has a deep love for music. You might stumble upon a Qawwali night, a form of Sufi devotional music that is incredibly powerful and moving. These performances often happen at shrines and can go late into the night, drawing large, captivated crowds. It's a spiritual and cultural experience that is unique to this part of the world. Next, we travel to the capital city, Islamabad. Known for its greenery, cleanliness, and tranquility, Islamabad's nightlife is a bit different from Karachi's or Lahore's. It's more serene and organized, but by no means boring. The city is nestled against the beautiful Margalla Hills, and many of its best evening spots take full advantage of this stunning natural backdrop. Restaurants like Manal, perched high up in the hills, offer panoramic views of the entire city twinkling below. Driving up the winding road to get there is part of the adventure, and dining under the stars with the city lights spread out before you is simply spectacular. Islamabad also has a great selection of cafes and eateries in its various commercial centers, known as markaz. Jinnah Supermarket and Kozar Market are particularly popular in the evenings. These areas are filled with chic cafes, international food chains, and local restaurants. They are perfect for a relaxed dinner or a late-night coffee. Because Islamabad is home to a large diplomatic and expatriate community, the city has a very cosmopolitan feel. You'll hear many different languages being spoken, and the food scene reflects this diversity. The nightlife here is less about loud crowds and more about quality time, good food, and beautiful surroundings. But nightlife in Pakistan isn't just confined to the big three cities. Smaller cities and even rural areas have their own unique evening traditions. In many towns, the local bazaar becomes the center of activity after dark. Shops stay open late, street food vendors set up their stalls, and families come out for a stroll and some shopping. It's a lively, communal atmosphere. And let's not forget about weddings. A Pakistani wedding is an epic celebration that can last for several days, with the main events happening at night. The music, the dancing, the colorful clothes, and the incredible feast, it is the ultimate nighttime celebration and a central part of the culture. If you ever get invited to one, you're in for an unforgettable experience. One of the most important aspects of Pakistan's nightlife is, without a doubt, the food. Street food culture is huge here, and it really comes alive at night. From the spicy bun kebabs of Karachi to the savory gol gappe found everywhere, the options are endless and delicious. In places like Gawalmandi in Lahore, an entire area transforms into a massive open-air food market at night. It's a culinary adventure where you can sample dozens of different dishes, all freshly prepared right in front of you. This late-night street food culture is a core part of the social fabric, a place where people from all walks of life come together to enjoy a good meal. Another element that's growing is the appreciation for art and literature in the evenings. Events like open mic nights for poetry and comedy, book launches at local cafes, and art gallery openings are becoming increasingly popular, especially among the youth. These events provide a platform for creative expression and intellectual discussion, adding another rich layer to the country's nightlife. They foster a sense of community and offer an alternative to the usual dinner and a movie routine. It's exciting to see this creative energy flourishing in cities across Pakistan. So, what is the nightlife in Pakistan really like? It's diverse, it's vibrant, and it's deeply connected to culture, food, and community. It's the laughter of friends sharing a meal by the sea in Karachi. It's the soulful sound of a qawwali echoing through the ancient streets of Lahore. It's the breathtaking view of a city sparkling from a hilltop in Islamabad. It's about family gatherings, late-night conversations over a cup of chai, and celebrating life's big moments with joy and enthusiasm. It may not be the nightlife you see in travel magazines for other parts of the world, but it has its own unique charm and warmth. It's an experience that's more about connection and creating memories than anything else. So next time you plan a trip, look beyond the daytime sights. Stay out a little later, and you'll discover a whole new, wonderful side of Pakistan that awaits you after dark. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Pakistan's nightlife. I hope it's opened your eyes to a different perspective. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Let me know in the comments what part of Pakistan's nightlife you'd love to experience. See you in the next one.